Here's problem 1 from the 2006 AMC 8. Mindy made 3 purchases for $1.98, $5.04, and $9.89. What was her total? To the nearest dollar? The choices are 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Since we only need the total to the nearest dollar, round each purchase first. $1.98 rounds to $2, $5.04 rounds to $5, and $9.89 rounds to $10. Now add the rounded amounts. 2 plus 5 plus 10 equals $17. As a check, the exact total is $16.91, which also rounds to $17. So the answer is 17, which is choice D.